Welcome to today's tutorial. Let me start by introducing a special guest. This is Digital Seb. He's an animated Disney-like avatar that I created with just a few AI tools in a few seconds. Hi Digital Seb, how are you doing today? I'm fine, thanks. Can you please tell us why someone would want to make a digital version of themselves? Well, first of all, creating a digital avatar could help you feel more confident about launching your YouTube channel. Whether you were hesitating to launching a faceless YouTube channel, or if you were hesitating to show your face, a digital avatar like myself could help you feel more confident into taking the step and actually launching your YouTube channel. The second good reason is to grab attention, especially on your shorts and thumbnails. As me and my friends look very friendly and intriguing, people tend to click to see what we have to say. And the third good reason is to do like we're doing now, to have an interview of yourself. I can either be the interviewer or the interviewee. So if you like to make FAQs or just to make your videos more dynamic, an AI version of yourself is a great option. Awesome, thanks for your answers. I really understand how you can help me boost my YouTube career now. Thanks a lot for that. So now that we have a better overview of how a digital AI avatar can help you boost your YouTube career, let's dive into the process of creating this. There are 3 steps to the process, and for each step we're going to try several tools to make sure that you never get blocked along the way. It should only take you 10 minutes to make, no matter the length of the video you're actually trying to achieve. The 3 steps are as follows. First, create a digital version of yourself. I like this type of Disney Pixar style, but that's all up to you. You will be able to pick your style. Then secondly, we need to add voice, and here we'll have 2 options. Either you want to add your real voice, either you want to add some AI generated voice. I personally prefer adding my own voice, as this really helps the user to connect with me. And if we're trying to do any type of personal branding in the future, it will really help people to identify with you as a person. And then finally, we'll animate the video to bring your character to life. I'm very excited about this video, so let's get started. So let's first start by creating the image. It's important here to have a high quality picture of yourself in the environment that you're looking for. Ideally, for me, it's inside my YouTube studio where I am now. You want this image to be high quality and to have good lighting, because that's going to help the AI tools to generate the best possible avatar for you. Here's an example of the picture that I chose today, and that helped me get to the final results of Digital Seb. Let's dive into Midjourney to create our Disney Pixar version of ourselves. Now, if you're also new to Midjourney, you don't want to learn it, or you're not willing to pay the price, I recommend you skip to the next chapter, because there I'll give you a free alternative that already has some Disney filters you can apply to your face. Also, if you're a Midjourney expert and you see that I'm not using it to its full potential, please let it know in the comments, and I'll try to pin it so everybody can read it. As I'm new to Midjourney, I'm actually following this tutorial. So as you can see, the results are supposed to be pretty awesome, and it's really short, so let's give it a try. So what they tell us to do is to use this prompt. I'll add it in the comments below. So we just need to upload our image into Midjourney. Then we generate the prompt, and then it should give us this result. Sounds good to me, so let's give it a try. So we head over to midjourney.com. And then here we click on join the beta. And then this will open Discord. It seems like all the servers are full at the moment, so let's start by creating myself a paid Midjourney account to get the ball rolling. Then inside the Discord, you just go to one of our newcomer rooms, for example, this one. And then here, you upload your image. In my case, it's just a screenshot of me recording this video. So I'll upload it, and I send it. Okay, and now what I can do is I need to recreate this prompt. So imagine and then URL. Okay, so I go here, I write /imagine. Okay, and then I go to my image that I uploaded. I right click, I select copy link, and I add the URL here. So that's done. And then now I just copy the rest of the prompt and then paste it into the Midjourney. And then let's wait for the results. Okay, so here's the results. It's pretty bad. It's actually really disgusting. I haven't figured out how to make it better. By playing around a little bit and giving some more description, I got to this result, but I'm really not satisfied. So let's move on to my second method, which actually is giving me much better results. My favorite option, because it's really fast, you don't have to learn mid-journey and it's free, is to use the Toon app. Basically, you just upload a picture of yourself in the app and then you can select the filter you want for your face, and a few of them generate really nice Disney Pixar-like images. If you're not fully satisfied of the image you get from this app, I recommend trying uploading a few other pictures. Maybe that will help you to improve your results. And if it doesn't, or you're not fully satisfied, you can also play with some other apps that you can find on your app store and just play around until you have the perfect final result you're looking for. I'm really satisfied with this one. What do you think? Okay, now the next step is to give your character a voice. So what I'm going to do is to just give it my real voice, and therefore there's several options. The easiest one is to just use the Voice Memo app from your iPhone, and there must be a similar one on Android. Or if you recorded a video already with your camera, you can just turn your video into MP3 format by extracting the sound, and you can use that as a voice for your character. Then the other option is to use text-to-speech. I'm not going to use that for now, as I think it's not good enough yet. But if you want to create a YouTube automation channel and have something really automated, it might be useful for you. So there are two processes you can do. Either you do it the basic way and you just pick one of the standard voices they have for you, or you can try to improve the text-to-speech by giving it your tone of voice, which I believe is not great yet, but it's starting to be okay. So if you want to give it a slightly more personal touch, you can do it by training the AI to use your voice. Okay, so it's now time to put everything together and to bring Digital Seb to life. Therefore, go to did.com, upload your image, upload your text, so either your voice that you recorded, either just write some text, and then create the video. Exporting here just took me less than 2 minutes, so it's really fast. Depending on your connection, it might take slightly longer, or it might even go faster for you. Well, first of all, creating a digital avatar could help you feel more confident about launching your YouTube channel. Whether you were hesitating to launching a faceless YouTube channel, or if you were hesitating to show your face, a digital avatar like myself could help you feel more confident into taking the step and actually launching your YouTube channel.